Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Imagine what, I did a very nice video and then I didn't selected my screen. So I talked for 10 minutes and there was no screen. Amazing. All right, so Bitcoin is pushing higher. What I just saying before, I was just saying before I was talking alone with no video. Well, so we did reach this top here. We made a new all-time high. Now we do have this possible correction done, right? Because we have everything set. But if I check more in details, it makes this count a little bit not complete. Okay, so this, I can count this as a wave A, I can count this as a wave B, and I can count this as a wave C. We did reach even a little bit more than a 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. We are within the range of a fourth wave because it started, fourth wave can start, actually start at 0.236. Actually, I say start, but we could have a very shallow fourth wave, but ideally we want to have this range here, 0.236 to 0.5. And yeah, if it's a diagonal, we can add the 0.618, and this is a ideal range. Now we can have variation, price can go lower, it can go, if it's a diagonal, it can go lower than 0.618, it's still fine. We need to check the micro counting for that to see where we are and if it's getting validated or not. The only thing it's a little bit annoying, in my opinion, in the way I'm reading the chart, it's this A wave. This A wave has wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so now I do have an ABC for this B wave, but honestly it would make more sense if this is just the A, this is another ABC to complete the B wave. And now let me go on the 1 hour. And now I'm looking for this C wave within this B wave in light blue. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is the thing. Before I was putting the third wave here, but it would also make sense to say, no, wave 1, wave 2, this is a diagonal A, B, C for the third wave, and this could be an A, a B, and a C for the fourth wave, and now we could possibly make the fifth wave. So this is a scenario that it is possible. Let me remove my sketch now and let's go on this one here. Okay, so we have several things to look. Let me erase that. We have yeah, a few things we can check now. First of all, we have this downtrend line that it did acted as a resistance lately. So let's see if price decide to push higher, if it get rejected again or not. If it does, then actually let me just want to double check something. If I put that, I would say maybe it start to channel. I don't know if I want to put it there or here. It wouldn't really matter, but it is channeling, right? So if it gets rejected, then we can watch and see if the price, yeah, once again, if it gets rejected here, if the price is going to find a support within this area, then I mean, if I go on the 1 hour now, let me see here. I can count, as I said, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can even put it here. But honestly, as I was saying before, this could be also a 1, 2, and this is the 3. I mean, this could be the 4 and the 5th, but also this could be just the A, B, C for the 4th, and still looking for this 5th wave. So this is what I am looking now, and can I even zoom in a little bit more? Let me just double check. Did I put it here? If I do the nano counting, actually, okay, let's let me do that first. So I'm going to do an alternative count. Let me find the color now. Maybe dark blue. Okay. So if I stick with this scenario, first of all, let me see the fourth wave, if it's a valid. I think it is. I don't think there is any trouble with that. And yeah, so it is great. I'm going to put it on the left side and put it dark blue. So we know that this support level here, it's for the fourth wave for the blue count. If this is the case, I think the third wave, it did really skyrocket. So now I'm putting that as an extra, right? So I'm trying to figure out how high did it go this fifth wave, and let me check here. So we even went higher than 1.618. I guess maybe we went to the 2x. Let me remove some levels here. So we went almost to the 2x. So that's very good for the third wave. So I'm guessing now I could have kept this one and this one. I keep them in dark blue. So the reason is I only keep one Fibonacci because the 1-2 is good for both counts. But as you can see, for this scenario here, the light blue, the target did reach the 1.38, which is fine. The fourth was very shallow. That's what I don't really like. And the fifth wave, it did reach almost 2 level up compared to the third wave, so that's also great. So this, I can put it back here now. Now the other count, the 1-2 in dark blue. So the third wave fine, the fourth wave fine. So let's go and check what would be this fifth wave target ideally. So I'm going to take from the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of this possible third wave, to the end of this fourth wave, and bring out the settings wave 1, wave 3. So I'm going to put the 0.382. I'm going to change the color count also, the color here, and actually can put it on the right side. Okay, so as you can see now, yeah, the 109, 113 would be a little bit shallow. If we consider that this was the third wave, but I mean, once again, it could also work out. Ideally, though, we would go, 111, 600, and possibly even go and challenge the all-time high, get rejected, and then I can count this 5 wave up in a dark blue. But once again, if price reach this level here, the 0.32, the job of the third wave is done. It did the higher high compared to the third wave. It would be a little bit disappointing, but technically it is a fulfilled fifth wave. All right, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I'm also checking once in a while the RSI on the daily for Bitcoin. It's not oversold. Would it be oversold? For me, it's a clear buy in my opinion. Once again, this is not financial advice. And yeah, the stock RSI is doing a reset, so eventually I do feel that we're going to make a pullback. So no matter if we already did 5-way up or we're still making this 5th wave leg up, then after that we will make, in either case, an ABC correction. So this could be just the A, this is the B, and we're going lower, or we are going higher, and after that we're going to do an ABC, which, yeah, this zone here, it's going to be statics. So if the price goes higher, this area is going to get dragged up, but we will, you know, I will do that when or if we get there. But there is no, let's try to not FOMO, right? 5-way up, amazing. Can we challenge this trend line? Amazing. But I know, once again, now some of my friends are you sure? Well, there is nothing sure. It's probabilities. Once again, technically, as I said, we do have an A, a B, and a C, but we have 5-wave down for the A wave. I have trouble to count this as a A, and this is a B, and this is a C. It's kind of messy. I do see 5-wave down, as I said before. So this is why if the A wave has 5-wave, well, the C wave must have 5 waves, and I cannot really see 5-wave here. I just see an A, a B, and a C. And this is why I am looking more into an A, and this is just the A, B, C for the B wave in light blue. Yeah, I'm looking for this possibility that this is now, we did a 1, this is the 2 we actually are making, and we should perhaps maybe expect, yeah, like a suppression of price and a strong impulsive movement to the downside, and after that a 4th and a 5th. If we have that, then yeah, I do have 5-wave down for the wave A, I would have 5-wave down for the wave C, and then I would say now this is really completed for me. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.